Hello, I'm George Mylonakis. I'm a professor of geotechnical engineering and soil structure interaction in the Department of Civil Engineering at the University of Bristol, and I'm the unit director for SSI4, an M-level unit on static soil structure interaction effects associated mostly with footings and retaining structures. So the unit is a state-of-the-art one, and it will help you a lot with, especially with excavations supported on flexible structure like Berlin-type walls and the like. If you work on major projects involving excavations, you're going to benefit tremendously from this unit, especially with reference to running Plaxis, a widely used finite element software throughout the UK and the continent. The material to be covered encompasses some theoretical stuff associated with the finite element method, mainly the theory of finite elements and why finite elements work as an engineering tool. And in parallel, we will start working in the lab, in the computer lab, on Plaxis, in order to familiarize ourselves with footing problems, retaining wall problems, and associated static soil structure interaction problems involving a structural element and soil.
So SSI is a really useful unit in terms of you learn a lot about lots of different kinds of geotechnical finite element analysis, and it's one of the only units at uni where they actually get you to do geotechnical FE. There isn't much contact time, so you've got a few lectures at the beginning, but not many compared to other options available. And the whole unit is 100% coursework, so you just go off on your own and you work your way through a coursework brief, and at the end of it you produce a report, and that's how it's all assessed.
The assessment of the unit is based on coursework. You need to write a report that is very well defined in the description, involving 3 problems, 2 problems associated with footings in axisymmetric conditions and plane strain conditions as a planar problem, and also a retaining wall problem also defined in plane strain conditions. In the report you have to list your assumptions, solution method, which is finite elements through Plaxis, soil parameters that are explicitly provided in the description, plus description and discussion of the results that will help you tremendously putting together professional reports during your employment as engineers.